Hello, eager young minds. Today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting decimals and mixed decimals through 10,000s. I have here an example. 3,531 10,000s minus 126 thousands. In adding and subtracting decimals, you have to follow the following steps. First, you have to arrange the digits in columns and align the decimal points. This is very important. So let us rewrite this one. 0 and 3,531 10,000s, and then this is 126 thousands. Okay, once you have already written the decimals vertically, the next thing that you're going to do is you have to insert 0 in empty decimal place value. As you can see here, there is an empty decimal place value here. So what you're going to do is you have to insert 0 so that everything is aligned. Okay, you just have to make sure that the decimal point is aligned. Okay, after that, the next thing that you're going to do is you have to add or subtract the decimals like whole numbers. So let us try this one. The operation is subtraction sign here. Okay, 1 minus 0, that is 1. 3 minus 6, cannot be, let us borrow 1. This becomes 4. Okay, this becomes 13. 13 minus 6, that is 7. And then, of course, 4 minus 2, that is 2. And then 2. Important thing that you're going to do is you just have to bring down the decimal point here. And then 0 minus 0, that is 0. So, the difference between 3,531 10,000s and 126 thousands is just 2,271 10,000s. Let's take another example. I have here 2,500s plus 300s plus 756 10,000s. Again, following our rules, our steps in addition and subtraction of decimals, the first thing that you're going to do is you have to arrange the digits vertically or in columns and then align the decimal points. So let us rewrite again. This is 0 and 25. Okay. And then 0 and then 0 and then 3. Of course. And then 0 and then 0, 7, and then 5, and then 6. Okay, and then the operation is addition. Now, once you have already aligned or written the decimals in columns or vertically, the next thing that you're going to do is you have to find the empty decimal place value. Okay, as you can see here, there is an empty decimal place value here. So what you're going to do is you have to add 0 here. Okay, there's another empty place value here. You have to add 0. There's another one here. You have to add 0. And another one here. You add 0. And so that everything is aligned. Okay. Once you're all set, what you're going to do is you have to perform the operation like whole numbers. So let us add 0, 0, and 6. That is just 6. And then 0, 0, and 5, that is 5, of course. And then 5, 3, and 7, okay, that is just 15, or 5, carry 1. And then 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, very important. The next thing that you're going to do is you have to just bring down the decimal point. It's just very easy. Okay, and then 0 plus 0 plus 0 is just 0. So, the sum of 2,500s and 300s and 756 10,000s is 3,556 10,000s. Okay, it's just that, it's that easy. Now, let's have a few more examples. I have here 53 10,000s and 71 hundreds. Okay, to add again, let us arrange the decimals vertically. So this is 0 and then 0. Okay. 5, 5, 3. Okay, and then 0. Okay, make sure that the decimal point is aligned. Okay, and then 7, 1. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, now that you have aligned or written the decimals vertically, the next thing that you have to do is you have to put zeros on the empty decimal place value. So as you can see here, this is an empty place value, you have to put 0. An empty place value, you have to put 0. And after that one, you just have to add like whole numbers. Add. Okay, so 3. Okay, this is 5. Okay, this is 1. This is 7. Okay, you just have to bring down the decimal point, and the 0 plus 0, of course, that is 0. So, the sum of 53 10,000s and 71 hundreds is 7,153 10,000s. Okay, another example. I have here 45 and 83 hundredths subtracted by 10 and 711 thousandths. Again, the first thing that you're going to do is you have to arrange the digits in columns or vertically. So let us write this one, 45 and 83 hundredths. Okay, and then 10, of course, that is subtraction, and 711,000. Okay. After arranging the numbers vertically, what you have to do next is you have to find the empty decimal place value and you have to add 0 there. Okay, as you can see here, there's an empty or a vacant decimal place value. So what you're going to do is you have to add 0. Okay, once everything is aligned, the next step is you have to add like whole numbers or subtract like whole numbers since this is subtraction. Now, let us subtract. 0 minus 1, of course, that cannot be. Okay, let's borrow 1 here. This becomes 2. Okay, and then 10 minus 1 is 9. And then 2 minus 1, that is 1. And then 8 minus 7 is 1 again. Okay, copy or bring down the decimal point here. Okay, and then 5 minus 0 is just 5. Okay, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. So, the difference between 45 and 83 hundredths and 10 and 711 thousandths is just 35 and 119 thousandths. Okay. I hope you learned something. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.